We are going to do our first real project. In this project, we'll read files and write and create new files into our operating system. I don't know if you know virtual reality headset, but when you are using a virtual reality headset, you might suffer what we call motion sickness. Beginners usually suffer from motion sickness, but people that are used to it can still suffer it anyway. In this project that you will find on my GitHub repository called Motion Sickness, you will find a TXT file called symptoms, and inside it you will find plenty of symptoms people are suffering when they are trying a new virtual reality headset. The goal of this project is to read those symptoms, so to read the symptoms.txt file and create a new txt file with the results inside it. And we want inside the results.txt an alphabetically sorted list. All right, so in this case, the list of symptoms is not sorted. We want an alphabetical sort of the list. You can see the result we are expecting. So from A to Z. And if the program finds a symptoms 2 or 3 times, we do not want, of course, to see it 2 or 3 times. We want the number of times we found it inside the list. In other words, if anxiety was found 6 times, we want a line with an output with a string showing anxiety equal 6. If I found blindness 2 times, I want blindness equal to, etc. All right? I hope this is clear. One more time, I will give you the txt file with an unsorted list of symptoms, and each symptom can be found many times. We want an alphabetically sorted list of the symptom, and on the right of the symptom we want an equal and the number of time we found the symptom inside the symptoms txt. All right, so take a deep breath, and I highly recommend you to try to think about the algorithm. Try to do it on your own. As you remember, I told you to start when you're facing a complex problem, you can start writing the algorithm. So try to do it, and I will catch you in the next lecture to show you how to start thinking of the algorithm, about the algorithm of this project. For the most advanced developers of my audience, you might immediately manage to do the project, and I congratulate you if you do so. For the others, we will do step by step, showing you how to figure out how to solve this project. But what do we want in those kind of project? We want, of course, a main method, and I'm asking you to use at least one interface. And the goal of this interface will be to access the file. All right, so to read and to write into the txt file. Okay, so one more time, the goal of this project is to collect the txt file with all the symptoms inside it, sort them alphabetically, and count the number of times we found each symptom. And we want at least one interface. That's for the most advanced of you that think they can handle it immediately. I hope this is clear, and I will catch you in the next lecture.